1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Elbow in, hand out, elbow in, 3, 1, 2, elbows in. Wow, very, very good. You're the first 3 that is able to do that all by yourselves. You're the first class that's going to the next move. There's 13 I was planning to teach you guys. So you've 12 more to go. Hand out, elbow in, 1, 2. Hand out, elbow in, turn your waist, hand out. Elbow in, turn your waist, hand out. Elbow in, turn your waist, hands out, 3. This is how I feel about Master Chen. Master Chen, my master, is coming on July 7th. You know, it's like watching a magician do his work. You go, how did you do that? How did you do that? You know.
I'm gonna pull harder.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah. She is the senior student, you know.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay. You see, that's a result of practicing, huh? Very good. You compensate by doing this, right? So fight that. Just this way. Okay. Yeah. Compensate. So fight that. Even if you don't pull her, if you're fighting it, you're getting closer.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. See, much lighter, right? Much less power on your part, right? Mm-hmm. And you didn't even touch Jennifer's hand. Look at that. Pure. Much better. Yes. 你感到吗？对，你跟他说啊。I do the same checklist, okay? Head's not moving. This goes down towards here, the shoulder. That's it, okay? The chest squeezes down. This opens, okay? Prop your knees open against each other. Yeah, bump goes back in. Yeah, okay. Okay, now pull. Yeah, she's pushing back, right? Now we gotta do the 3. You see? 1, you see? Yeah, she's don't bend your bum. Push your hips forward. Yeah, see? 2. You see? Goes in. Yeah. Okay, you see? You feel that, Jennifer? Tell her that. She needs the feedback. Yeah.
That's better. It's a hard move.
Okay, remember we talked about the fingers? This holds it tight. Yes.
Yeah.
Now that power is going to go behind her now. Yeah, you feel that? 你感到吗? Just tell her. You see that? You feel that? But on your side, it doesn't feel anything, right?
Not as much. No.
Not as much, right? The not as much part is what we're trying to strive for. Yeah. Hand out. You see what elbow came out? Yeah. Yeah, see, elbow came out. Yeah, elbow in. Turn your waist. Hand out. See? Hand out. Yeah. Yeah, the same with you. You see? Turn your waist. Hand out. Yeah. See? 1, 2. You see? You push. You see? My elbow comes in, right? See? 1, 2. You see? What we've been doing, go 1, 2. The hand doesn't move, and then you power from the 3 like that. The 2 like that. Right? So what you want to try with this move is that you sneak your 2. Come on over here, Amanda. You sneak your 2 in underneath your opponent before you move your hand. Okay, you see? 1. You see, I snuck my 2 in underneath my opponent. You see, push. Watch this. You see, now I just use my fingers. 1. You see, I snuck the 2 in. Right? You see? Elbow in, foot up. Elbow in, foot up. Okay? Just do this. Okay? But you see here? So this is actually this, right? You see? This here. This. As soon as the elbow comes in, push, my foot comes out. My foot goes out too. That's my 1 step, isn't it? Right? 1, 2, you see? And now the hand. But for now, just do this. You see here? Only elbow in, foot out. Elbow in. you're doing this. The foot didn't come out. Okay, when she's pushing, the foot comes out too. You see here, right? Right. You see here. Okay. Once I'm 2, sneak the 2 in. Only sneak the 2 in like this. Yeah. See, sneak the 2 in. Just go like this with your hand. Okay. Yeah. Now see here, you just go like this with your hand. Flip here. Don't forget the 1. Don't push your hip backwards.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have a tendency when you go like this, your hip went with it.
Yeah.
Right. But you see, when you do it this way, this has to go forward.
Yeah.
You see here. Right. So with this foot, you want to touch her. You see this touch right there. Okay. See. You see right there. You want to touch her. Right. You see now. Watch this very carefully. You see here. You see this is only 1, right? Mm-hmm. Right. Now I do the 2. You see that? Amanda, put your hand here. Yeah. You can put your hand here too. Okay. So for now it's only 1, right? But you see, this is the 2 now. You see that? And that is very important, you see, because that's what gives me the power. Okay. Okay. See, the elbow came in just now, right? Your hand didn't move. Yeah. Okay. 这个腿要碰到它。好，慢慢的把2，这个2要轻轻这样就够了。OK， 你看这个出手就可以了嘛，不用单单出手，你看到吗 ？OK， 好，不要动，你看我啊，然后你自己模仿，看你看到真的碰到你，你也碰到他了吗？好了，这个 2， 这一块不能动 ，2， OK， 这是伸手 ，OK， 行，你感到吗 ？You can feel the power, right?
松胯。
不是松胯 ，2。
这个就是胯前移了吗？
对啊，这个 1, 2嘛，这个也是 2啊。Only push my stomach over. I'm kind of doing like this. I'm just exaggerating here. Now you see here, there's lots of power. I want to push my stomach like this towards her. So you see push? You see I push my stomach like this towards her. But from the looks of it, looks like I'm losing, right? But you see? Can you guys see it? Mm-hmm. Right? You see my 2? Mm-hmm. Right? This is my 2. Right? So when she pushes, watch. Push. Keep pushing. Push me over, see? Here. My stomach over. You see that? See 1? Right? My 2 is my stomach over. You see that? Now I can rip her like this. You guys are too shy. Maggie is a nice person. Get closer to her. Okay? You see what happened was as you push? You guys are stuck here like that. Okay? You're stuck here. Right? You see? When she pushes, I want to touch her with every part of my body right there. You see that? If you have 5 points touching her, then she will fall. How many points do I have touching her? 1, 2, 3 now. Right? Okay? I'll make it a bit more dramatic. 4. You see? Oh, no, keep pushing. Keep pushing. You see? I keep pushing. Another point touching her now. Right? So now, see, I just push her like this. But you feel it when I touch you with your head, with my head, right? Yes. Then I just went like this, and then you fell. You see, 1, see, 2, right? See, I'll go here, right? So I touched her here. How many points count? 4, right? So watch. You see? But this touch, I didn't collapse all the other points. You see, I touched her like this. You see? You see here? You see? Another point now. How many points? 3, 4. Right? See? 3. See, I used this point. This is another point. I went like this. I gave another point. Keep pushing. You see here? Now, see here? I fight my head to get in here. Another point. Now, how many points? 5. You see how? You push your hand out without fighting her here. So you want to feel that this way. You see here? You came this way. See? Okay? Now, you see how she's already bent like this? Squat down, and then you see?